today we are going in the car for. We have a driver here. It's called Mr. Dose. Hiya, Mr. Dose. Yeah, not much of a talker, Mr. Dose here. Ooh.
Is the window up?
My window is up, yeah. Ooh, a tall one. Wow, yeah. Bum, bum.
I think it's scary in front of me.
Ew. Oh, and here. Hi, you guys. It's me, Owen. Wow, what happened? Josie, I got your hand in that. I think you don't worry about that.
I'm going to close my eyes and not
I thought there was you ring out my window. Wow, look at it. We are having a dog. We are having a dog. Have a dog time. Ooh, yeah, that ready. That ready.
I'm closing my eyes. Oh, honey, you wake me up.
Good morning.
I just keep my eyes open.
Wow, what? Ui, nhìn rồi, ui, để đi ra. Nói theo.